Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing the Coke and Mentos challenge. As you can see, I'm opening up the bottle, but the bottle kind of foamed up because it was on the ground and I lifted it up and somehow I shaked it and it started to foam up. So it took me a while to open it without the foam all spreading out. For this experiment, I have put 5 Mentos in some Diet Coke. I've used Diet Coke because they don't use sugar. They have different types of acids which make it foam up more. Doing my research. So I've got 5 Mentos and I drop them in the Coke and bang! There it is. That was some cool stuff. So it did work, which I'm happy to say because I've done it once and it hasn't worked. After the foam settled in, I put the whole packet of Mentos in just to see if it would blow up. And nothing happened. So there's me just trying to get all the Mentos out. And then I throw it away. The packet away. Look at that amazing throw. So I put them in and really nothing happened. So I was very sad. And then I thought if I shake the bottle, surely something should happen. So I gave it a good shake and this is what happened. Opened up the bottle and boom! Exactly what I thought. I was so angry. So angry. So angry I knocked over the bottle. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Peace.